and we talk. Get you bottles all fucked up and sing along to my hip-hop song. As you choking on folk bone, stop until we can't go wrong. Keep it smoking like Cheech and Chong.
Oh, let it be something that he is involved in, and I better be the biggest cheerleader. He's a huge baby.
Yeah, I hear you with your fine ass. Well, pass the blunt, boo. Damn, you hogging the whole shit.
I'm sorry. Must be buzzed. I'm babbling.
Yeah, you know, you surprised me by getting hot.
I'm not that much of a square, Silas. I did do it once in high school. What about you? We all have secrets.
Well, if you act right, I might just let you in my head one day.
Whatever.
But I ain't saying shit on the first date.
Who said this was a date?
You smoked my weed, didn't you? And we almost kissed, didn't we?
We did not.
Yes,
we
did.
did not.
Here, hit this. Oh, my bad. Did I spoil the moment? I can't help
You
it,
know
girl.
what?
Them shits was talking
You
to
know
me, bro.
what?
They was
You're
like,
right.
oh my God, they put the bling bling. Turn the headlights off, son.
Man, I'm gonna tell you something. This pimping that I got in my blood, it came from a family tree. My granddaddy was a pimp. My great-great-great-granddaddy was a pimp. I'm talking about pimping since pimping.
It's in your bloodline,
It's in my
baby.
blood, and you
It's
will
in your
never be that.
bloodline. Why?
Because you was born, all the people in your family were assistant pimps.
Pimp, son. Pimp, I never deny you that. I thought you was the one the Lord chose.
If it had not been for the Lord, I wouldn't have had another bitch come into my life.
Not another
bitch.
Nobody say that now, nothing like you say that now, nothing.
Not another bitch.
And I still don't know what that shit means, but it sounds good about it.
Now nothing mean, don't get a now nothing.
Now nothing.
A now nothing out of there.
Nothing out of there.
Man, shut the fuck up.
I'm dry this motherfucker. I apologize, Father.